News coming out of the Empire State this morning. The New York State Senate has passed the Climate Corporate Data Accountability Act. So what is that? Well, it's a bill very similar to SB 253, the climate disclosure regulation out of California. It's going to mandate that companies who do over $1 billion in revenue and do business in the state of New York report on greenhouse gas emissions. Specifically, they have to report on scope 1, 2, and 3, and this would be for data from 2027, so next year data. They have to report in the year 2028. This is for scope 1 and 2, and then in 2029 for 2028 data for scope 3. And so requirements that are very similar to what we're seeing here in the state of California, except a little bit delayed. This would be about a year of delay versus what is required in California, but the same requirements on limited assurance, timelines, scope. They have to the reporting has to be compliant with the global greenhouse gas emission protocol. So all of that very consistent with everything that we have seen out of California. So if you're preparing for disclosures, if you're doing measuring reporting, for SB 253 in California, you're going to be in a really good place. You're going to be very well prepared to comply with these pending New York regulations as well. We say pending because this still has to go to the assembly and then the governor has to sign it into law. So we will keep you updated on how this process evolves in the state of New York.